Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, northern Marshall County, Indiana, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles south of Lakeville and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Bremen around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Kosciuszko